Our bed is not just a piece of furniture in our home. Your old or uncomfortable bed not only can carry germs and other microorganisms, but it can lead to back pain. No one wants to wake up in the morning in pain, and it'll just make you moody throughout the day. Instead of feeling recharged, you're prone to experience other health issues because of lack of sleep. We all know how that feels when we're robbed of our needed sleep. And that's why having a quality bed frame is truly important. In this video, we've researched 5 of the best bed frames on the market to help you make your next purchase decision. And now let's begin. At number 1 is the Mainstay bed frame. It's an adjustable frame that comes in an elegant black color. You can choose between twin, double, and queen size mattresses. You won't need to worry about its durability because this bed frame is made from sturdy metal and secure welded legs to support different sizes of mattresses and a box spring. When it comes to capacity, this bed boasts 9 strong feet that can support up to 1,200 pounds. If you have an existing headboard, the adjustable Mainstay bed with its middle support beam has a built-in headboard metal bracket that you can attach to your existing headboard. It'll save you time and money instead of getting a brand new headboard. Each foot is protected with a cap that protects it from scratches and dents on your floor. The Mainstay metal adjustable bed is super easy to assemble. You can assemble it with no tools and no videos required. It'll truly fit your comfort and is perfectly designed to give you a great night's sleep. At number 2 is the Mainstay's high-profile foldable steel bed frame. If you dream of lying in comfort with a wider bed, then this one's for you. The bed offers different sizes of twin, twin XL, full, queen, king, and California king. So you'll sleep just like a king or queen in this sturdy bed frame from Mainstay. It's made of premium steel and is guaranteed with its durability. It can stand the wear and tear of time. You don't need to worry about the box spring because this bed is mattress ready. A great part of having hassle of buying a box spring and putting both mattress and box spring together, but in this case you don't have to do that because it's truly designed to be durable and easy. It exudes elegance in its classic powder-coated black steel that can fit various colors inside your room. It has a safe button locking system that ensures its stability. Because this frame is foldable, you won't need to worry about storage. You could store it under a couch or pull it out for guests. It's hassle-free in storing. You might even consider taking it on your next trip. If you have it in your room, you can maximize your space. Because of its 14 inches in height, it allows underbed storage. You won't have to worry about getting your floor scratched up because it has a cap on each foot. The quick setup requires no tools or video. You're going to love this bed frame while you get a great night's sleep. At number 3 is the Premier Platform metal bed frame with underbed storage. This product is an excellent alternative to the traditional box spring, which tends to lose support over time. It's sturdy and long-lasting. You can rest assured it can hold up to the heaviest mattresses and just about anybody who sleeps on it. Another amazing part of this metal bed frame is the wide room for underneath storage. It's great for storage bins and stashing away a variety of things to leave your room clutter-free. If you have limited floor space, then this product is perfect for you. The Premier Platform metal bed frame is lightweight and extremely easy to set up. You can install it in just minutes. All you need to do is unfold it, flip the hooks together, and you're done. Well engineered, this heavy-duty steel platform is designed to support up to 1,200 pounds from twin to full size and 2,500 pounds for queen, king, and California size. The highly durable Premier Platform metal bed frame can withstand daily wear and tear. This metal bed frame will not only give you the value for your money, but allow you to sleep like a baby. We hope you found our first 2 featured items worthy. We have 3 more products to go, but if you're not yet part of our friendly community, please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to tap the bell icon to enable instant notifications when we upload a new product review. And now let's continue. At number 4 is the Rest Haven upholstered platform bed frame with square tuft headboard. This bed will suit your desire to create an upgrade in your room and a fresher look. You can decide which of these available neutral shades from charcoal, cream, gray, and navy to suit your style. The square tuft upholstered headboard and upholstered side rails complement each other to create an elegant look to this bed. Skillfully made, this bed frame features thick side rails and wooden slats that eliminate the need for a bulky, cumbersome box spring. Its height also allows you to maximize your space as it provides under-bed storage. The unroll slats offer strong support for heavy sleepers and are great for pressure distribution, which is awesome for your back. The unrolled wooden slats also allow air to pass through to your mattress. Thus, you get great ventilation for your bed, enabling it to breathe, therefore keeping it fresh longer. This bed is perfect for all Rest Haven mattresses. You'll feel like a king or queen in this bed with its various sizes, such as California King, King, Queen, Full, Twin, and Twin XL. It's perfect if you need a wider bed, and with a little help from a Phillips head screwdriver, you can quickly assemble this item. All the parts are neatly tucked into the back of the headboard for convenience and easy storage. That comes with a limited lifetime warranty that backs its durable frame. At number 5 is the Lucid Basic Remote Controlled Adjustable Bed Base. This bed frame does not require any tools because of its quick and easy assembly characteristics. In about 5 minutes, you're done and it's ready to go. It fits most mattresses or any decorative bed frame. No other box spring is required. With an exterior dimensions of 79.5 by 59 by 14 inches and just at 124 pounds, it's all made from premium steel to ensure quality, longevity, and durability. The steel construction gives it a strong feeling. It has 6 legs which can hold a maximum 750-pound weight limit. Lucid's basic remote-controlled adjustable bed base for queen-size beds will take your sleep to another level. The wired remote control feature for head and feet is beneficial for people with sleep apnea, acid reflux, or snoring. In the back, you'll see that its structure and remote control attachments are used for head and feet support. The premium motor is extremely quiet, responsive, and reliable. Lucid guarantees this with a 10-year warranty for any manufacturing defects. It ships straight to your doorstep and comes in an easy-to-carry box. And there you have it, our review of the 5 best bed frames on the market. We hope this list helped you make your purchasing decision. If you want more information on the products listed here, head down to the description box and check out the links where you can catch them at their best prices. If you have a product in mind you'd like to see us review in the future, let us know and our team will get to work. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our page and click the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video. That takes care of our list today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel.